So let's have an example. We have an electron beam in a TV picture tube. Okay, so we have a cathode ray tube and it produces a 10 power 15 electrons. Okay, 10 power 15 electrons per second. Okay, as a design engineer, determine the voltage V node needed to accelerate the electron beam to achieve 4 watt. So what is required in this problem? We need to find the voltage. Okay, and we have the power. So you know that the power is equal to the voltage multiplied by current. Okay, so the power is the 4 watt. The voltage is the one which is unknown for us. Okay, and we need to find the electron or the current is not given. So we need to find the current in order to get the voltage. So how we can find the current? So as you know that the current is equal to dq over dt, or the variation of the q with respect to time, or we can say it is q over t. Okay, the total charge over time. Okay, here we have 10 power 15 electrons per second. So we have 10 power 15 electrons. Okay, electrons, we can here put negative and remove this one, per second. So we have number of electrons over the time, which is second. Now we need to find the q. You know that the q, which is the charge, is equal to number of electrons multiplied by the charge of one electron, right? So we have here E is negative 1.16 10 power negative 19 coulomb. This is the value of one electron. Okay, and we have 10 power 15 electron. So the total amount of charges, or the total amount of Q or coulomb, is equal to 10 power 15 multiplied by this value to get the total amount of C or coulomb. So negative 1.16 multiplied by 10 power 15 give us the total amount of C. But remember that here E is given as number of electrons per second, or E over time. So by multiplying this give us the total current directly. Okay, why? Because here this one is number of electrons per second. Okay, so as if we multiply both of these values give us coulomb per second, which is Q over T. So we need to find, now we got the current, we need to find the voltage. So let's delete all of this. You will find that the power equal to the voltage multiplied by the current. So the voltage equal to P over I. So the power, which is 4 watt, the current, which is negative 1.6 multiplied by 10 power negative 4. So we need a 25 kilovolt for this cathode ray tube. So in all the TV, you'll find that the voltage is high, equal to 25 kilovolt as an example. Okay, so this was the first example on on cathode ray tube.